Market opportunity, well, you know, any of these things we're doing here have markets that are so immense they're hard to gauge, they're hard to even quantify. In practical terms, whether you take the powdered egg yolk as something like a little cookie before a meal, or whether you pack it as pills when you're going to Mexico, or whether you, that would be the E. coli type of application as opposed to celiac disease, you're certainly talking large revenues with large markets. I think this is sort of intended to address a little bit, to some extent, the fact that we are going after the international, or we certainly are making sure that we do cover the international patenting on this, but fundamentally there are other sort of processes related to celiac disease. This, we believe, is what we're looking at here is quite a bit simpler, easily spread and diffused, and not facing any major barriers. Now, we also are doing a few other things. Because we have assembled a team associated with this kind of chemistry and these kinds of things, we're also looking at lamp related diagnostic testing. And I mean, we're kind of, in case you know, we're kind of farm boys, this is kind of rustic and simple. Maybe the intention being that this kind of technology can allow you to go into markets where you're talking about 30 cents to $3 a test. I mean, this is quite a bit lower sort of end market. But if you can hit the sort of 30 cent to $3 range on a per test basis, then you are looking at the ability to test entire food chains, or the ability to distribute into the third world when you're looking for specific pathogens or facing specific disease problems. This particular set of tests is actually lamp-based DNA, but the research group that, I've got 1 minute. Okay, I'll kind of, anyway, Hoon and those who are actually actively involved, who aren't pitch hitters, can speak far better to that. As you can see, there's a whole range of products coming here, and those products include defense applications and other things, because obviously this is a very simple remedy for a lot of things. Having said that, probably the people to talk to, I mean, Gary is here and knows a lot more about all of these details than I do, or the details of the general market. Suresh, who was, I guess, Assistant Dean of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. Sim, Hoon, who is really the lead scientist. I'm just doing a little physics here and there, helping out, and I happened to give the talk today. But anyway, thank you very much for listening, and I really want to thank Ken for creating the opportunity.